It may be harmful to your health to consume broccoli with this specific item, as you may not know. Even though broccoli is regarded as one of the top 10 superfoods, there are certain combinations that go horribly wrong and some that work well. Yes, in order to genuinely improve your health, even something as healthy as broccoli needs to be eaten properly. The improper meals may do more damage than good when combined with it. To preserve your health, I have something unique ready for you. I'll share with you the 3 worst and 3 finest meal combos that go with broccoli. Keep reading to learn how to make your broccoli meals not only tasty, but also extremely healthy. Hello there! Are there still some of you who haven't subscribed? Hit that subscribe button and like right now. Share this with your dear ones. I promise to keep delivering only the best health information to you. It's likely that you've heard endlessly how important it is to consume veggies for optimal health. If you could only eat one kind of vegetable, cruciferous vegetables would be the healthiest option. Because the 4 petals of their blossoms resemble a cross, the name derives from the Latin crucifer, which means cross-bearing. These superfoods have great health protective properties and are loaded with different nutrients. We frequently come across members of this family in our meals, such as broccoli, cabbage, kale, radish, bok choy, and turnips. These cruciferous vegetables are rich in substances believed to strengthen the immune system, termed sulforaphane. Broccoli is the current standout among these nutrient-dense vegetables because of its capacity to eradicate cells that are harmful to health. Broccoli is actually a superfood that has been hailed as a cure, all by Johns Hopkins School of Medicine, and the NSEI is the finest anti-disease agent. However, did you know that when consumed improperly, even a nutritious vegetable like broccoli may be harmful? Now, let's explore the 3 worst meal combinations that might harm our health when combined with broccoli and the 3 best that may really help us live longer and better. First off, strangely enough, vinegar is the worst meal pairing for broccoli. Did you feel taken aback? Many people like to treat broccoli with a vinegar-based dressing after it has been gently steamed or blanched. It turns out, though, that this combination is detrimental to the nutrients in broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals, and it also contains the amazing compound sulforaphane, which kills harmful cells. It may surprise you to learn that broccoli has twice as much vitamin C as lemons and 7 times more than potatoes. Yes, it is correct. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps our body get rid of dangerous free radicals, recover from exhaustion, avoid colds, and even has a major positive impact on skin health. Broccoli is also an excellent source of vitamin AA beta-carotene, the ultimate antioxidant, which strengthens immunity. Especially now, during the changing seasons with cool mornings and evenings and significant temperature fluctuations, it's crucial to include broccoli in your diet. The main thing, though, is that these amazing vitamins have a problem with acidity sensitivity. Therefore, it will be in vain if you've been eating broccoli rigorously for health reasons, but subsequently treat it with lemon juice or vinegar. What therefore ought you use to dip your broccoli? Mustard or horseradish is the solution. The immune-stimulating chemical sulforaphane found in broccoli requires the aid of an enzyme called myrosinase in order to function in the body. This is a common ingredient in hot sauces like mustard and horseradish. So the amazing way to eat broccoli is to dip it in anything other than vinegar or sour condiments like mustard or horseradish. This process optimizes the antioxidant properties while maintaining vitamin content. Therefore, oranges or tangerines are the first meal that we suggest eating with broccoli. When the weather becomes cool, what fruit first comes to mind? It has to be the tart and sweet tangerine. Broccoli goes well with tangerines, which are a vitamin-rich food source. Broccoli is high in iron in addition to the vitamins I just stated. Broccoli has more than double the amount of iron as other vegetables and of extremely good quality, which means the body absorbs it incredibly effectively. As a result, it works wonders for reducing cramps and pains in the muscles as well as strengthening the arteries, cleaning the blood, and avoiding anemia. Here's the main part, though. There is a method for doubling the rate at which broccoli's wonderful iron is absorbed. Broccoli and vitamin C-rich meals, oranges, and tangerines, for example, have a powerful synergistic impact that aids in the absorption of iron. Additionally, Broccoli is a wonderful way to prevent osteoporosis because of its vitamin K content, which helps with calcium absorption. Tangerines and oranges are therefore very nutrient-dense, so be careful to combine them with oranges and broccoli. Second, people on aspirin or specific blood thinners like warfarin for high blood pressure or high cholesterol had the worst combination with broccoli. Broccoli, packed in potassium, antioxidants, and a healthy dose of calcium, is a great way to avoid high blood pressure, as you may already be aware. It is true that regular broccoli eating lowers blood pressure in the heart and arteries and eases stress. Broccoli becomes an essential diet, especially as the winter months draw near, when blood vessels tend to narrow and acute infections become more frequent. But take note, broccoli contains vitamin K, which directly contradicts the effects of warfarin-based blood pressure drugs. Broccoli aids in blood clotting, preventing bleeding and repairing wounds inside blood vessels, whereas aspirin and drugs for high blood pressure and hyperlipidemia act to thin the blood to avoid unexpected blood clots. Therefore, despite all of broccoli's health benefits, there's a chance that it might compromise the efficacy of prescription drugs. As a result, use caution. It is recommended that you avoid eating broccoli for around 2 hours after taking your prescription. A brief aside, it is advised to eat broccoli that has been indirectly cooked rather than concentrated broccoli juice, as it may strain your liver. Onions are the second best meal pairing for broccoli. Above all, broccoli contains a lot of selenium, an antioxidant that strengthens our immune system and counteracts dangerous free radicals. Indeed, it offers remarkable advantages in the fight against liver, breast, lung, and colon diseases. It also has a high dietary fiber content, which helps the body flush out toxins and carcinogens by binding to them in the stomach. Thus, adding broccoli to your diet helps to fortify your fundamental immunity, keeping your body resistant to illness and warding off colds and coughs. And it becomes much better when you combine it with onions, since it may have a remarkable impact. Onions quercetin greatly increases broccoli's health advantages. Quercetin has been demonstrated to lower blood pressure, lower levels of harmful LDL cholesterol, and prevent damage to blood vessel walls. Not only does adding onions to broccoli increase its vascular protective properties, but the onion's pungent flavor, which comes from chemicals like allicin and sulfides, also significantly helps dilate blood vessels. In addition, eating broccoli and onions combined can help dissolve body fat and reverse the effects of hyperlipidemia and arteriosclerosis, which is a genuinely remarkable technique to help with dieting and weight loss. Finally, those with diabetes or those who need to control their blood sugar levels make up the third category of those for whom broccoli might not be the ideal option. Broccoli is a favorite among many diabetics because of its extremely low glycemic index and remarkable ability to reduce blood sugar. In fact, it has been demonstrated that the sulforaphane in broccoli efficiently lowers blood sugar levels based on studies that looked at the genetic profiles of diabetes individuals. But there's a problem since this influence can be too strong. Upon examining the diets of real patients with diabetes, it was shown that cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, were too included and frequently caused hypoglycemia. For example, some people even use cauliflower or broccoli instead of rice to maintain their weight or blood sugar levels. Recall that moderation is crucial in this situation, since even the healthiest foods can become toxic when consumed in excess. A word of caution: overcooking broccoli might cause it to lose all of its vitamins and sulforaphane. When it comes to cooking techniques, steaming or microwave cooking retains more of the nutrients than boiling. It's important to keep this in mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the latest health tips. Share this valuable information with those around you. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.